that the spot? That's the spot, huh? Okay, man. Good morning, everybody. It's not quite hot out here in California just yet. Not quite hot. I like to get an early start when I'm down here, when it's in the 90s. Because it's not comfortable the rest of the day. I really enjoy the mornings that aren't quite so bad. Well, today, actually from this point, I think like 4 miles down on I-5, actually gonna get off I-5, and whoa, that's a lot of cat hair, and try something a little different. So that's the plan. Where we end up, well, we shall see. Jax, are you my navigator? You my tom-tom? All right. Ready to go, man? That was your cue, man. Yeah, that was your cue. You missed it. You missed your cue, man. Where's the RV? Is it over here? Yeah? Oh, I trained my cat so well. And cat butt. I know. And down the road we go. I'm wearing my new Smokey the Bear Only You Can Prevent Forest Fires t-shirt. I love this. And I got the matching hat to go with it as well, so I feel like I'm color coordinated. Like, I planned this. I did it really well. I didn't, but I do really love my shirt. So, anyway, we'll get on the road. Well, Jax, does it feel like we're in wine country now? It looks like it to me. It's a really bumpy back road here, but we're in Vina, California now. And there's a neat little medieval spot that I want to stop by that might have some history. Might be some good pictures. We shall see. Suck it in, Miranda. Alright, Jax, we're going to church. Oh, weird parking. They have all these slots of 3 cars, and the whole lot is like this. Alright, Buster, I got the AC on for you, okay? I'll be back in a little bit. Just gonna go look around, take some pictures. So I'll say it's not super inviting for big rigs, but I picked a quiet day, and I'm not blocking anybody in. I just had to be careful backing up, because we had these big boulders right here. I've got them on both sides of my RV, but I'm back as far as I can go there. You know, and every time I get to the south for the first time in a while, I am so happy to see palm trees again. They are one of my favorite trees, and they make me smile. They make me happy. And those are some healthy, happy palm trees there. Oh yeah. So, reason I stopped here is because apparently they have an 800-year-old Spanish medieval monastery here that was put together piece by piece, brick by brick, or whatever. I don't think it's this, but I'm gonna find out. This building is it. It looks way more modern on the outside. Maybe they had to do that so that it would stand up, you know, to the weather and sunshine around here. I'd love to see the inside, but they are closed for tours today. Look at this big wooden door. Oh, it's nice, huh? But yeah, like I said, not happening. So, way to plan, Eric. Your first clue would be the empty parking lot and how quiet it is. Oh well. Now that I'm off I-5, let's go check out back roads today. Yeah. I told you I'm gonna salvage the day today, no matter what. I'm here in Chico, California. I don't know what Chico stands. I know Chica is a female, so I must be a Chico. I failed Spanish. But you gotta pay to park down here. It's kind of a big city. So I'm taking up 2 quarter slots for the RV. Got the air conditioner running. And just about 8 blocks back south is something fun. Okay, I just walked around the whole block. I know it's on this block, but I can't find the entrance. And that's because they don't have a sign out front. I did finally find it here. Ladies and gentlemen, how many Yoyo fans out there? Chico, California is home to the world's largest Yoyo museum. The National Yoyo Museum is here in Chico, California. We're gonna go check it out. Here we are, the National Yoyo Museum. Let's start with this big wood one right here. It took a crane to get it here. There's some pictures. Pictures of them bringing it through town and dropping it off there. She's a monster in there. And we got some really old yo-yos up here. Some 1929 wood Dunkin' yo-yos. Dunkin' Donuts. Yeah. There's some metal yo-yos up there. Kind of the evolution of yo-yos here. You got the one-piece wood. These are all cutaways to show how they've changed over the years. And the Chico Yo-Yo Company Route 66, April 2010. There's a lot of yo-yos here. There's a lot. So the original Florist was manufactured and named the yo-yo for the first time. And there's Richard Nixon at the Grand Ole Opry, 1974, with his yo-yo. Some of these ones here have faces on them. Area 51 yo-yo. There are even some prototypes in here. Some of these metal ones. Like that one right there. It doesn't have a brand on it. It's a prototype. Look at all the little logos on them. It's like collecting Pogs. With all little designs and different ones you can have. And this case here is full of winners. Yo-yo competition winners that have either signed or donated their winning yo-yo. There's a Gentry Stein of 2019. 1A World Champion. Dale Myberg, 1996, had the Coca-Cola yo-yo. Oh wow, a whole collection of Coca-Cola yo-yos. Wow. And even a green Coca-Cola. Never seen anything like that. Some old Disney yo-yos with Mickey and Donald and Goofy. Batman, Superman. Tom Smothers signed that t-shirt. I guess these are some of his yo-yos also. A lot of history here. Yeah. And here's the magnet choices. National Yo-Yo Museum. I think I like this one the best. I love those museums that are free. And those museums that allow a little bit of pictures and video to go with it. So I did buy a $7 magnet for my collection. Good check in on Jack's. I have decided that since there's 1,000 trails down the road, whoa, we're really dark here, that I'm gonna go plug in for power because it's gonna be another 99-degree day. And it's just a little too warm for me. For Jack's, for both of us. Plus we gotta do laundry. So it makes sense. So yeah, we'll go head on south a little bit farther to Lake Minden RV Resort. Wait. I brake for quirky. I need that sticker on the back of my RV. Brake for quirky. Feelings of Route 66 here on a little abandoned roadside attraction. Has seen better days for sure. Look at that. I mean, you can still see all the greens, but they're definitely haven't been used in a while. I love old abandoned stuff like this. And look, I got a cowboy, kind of like a muffler man type thing. Oh, he's a prospector. I beg your pardon, I forgot there's gold in these hills. There's a lot of gold around here, so he is prospecting in an abandoned mini golf area. Holy cow, it's hot. Well, hang tight. I'm about like 15 miles from Sacramento right now in California. So let me go get checked in. I already got my reservations, and I'll let you see where I'm at here once I get all settled and comfortable. It's still pretty warm. Here we are, my first 1,000 trails of California. Yeah. Yeah. They're not at max capacity right now. If they were, where I'm standing right now would be another RV. They pack you in so tightly here that I would have an RV right here. I'll back up so you can get an idea for this. Basically what they do is they put two RVs butt to butt, or look right there. See that? So one RV takes the left side and has a porch kind of on the other side, and this one takes the right side and has a porch on this side with the hookups. That's why you see this here. This is where someone would park and then come right up to the side of my RV right here, and then their back porch would be right behind my RV. This is their area. That's their fire pit. But that's not really why you come to a place like this. Yeah, palm trees, California, more palm trees. No, you come here to enjoy the water and enjoy the full hookups, get some things done, do laundry. Well, at least that's what I'm using it for. And we're right on the lake with some quackers over there going skinny dipping over there. By the way, no, you're not seeing that wrong. That is not a normal color of water. Actually, here at this particular resort, they have a whole write-up about what goes on here in the summertime. This is a man-made lake, and it develops really, really bad algae, green algae, in the summertime. So they treat it with a chemical that's safe, and then they dye it blue turquoise like this. It almost looks like Key West water. They dye it like that on purpose. It's completely harmless to animals, wildlife, fish, and it's okay to swim in. It's good for kids and adults and everything. It's just, it's safe chemical, and then like I said, they dye it, which is kind of cool. It is just so hot. 99 degrees today, man. I love the sunshine. I love the extended summer, but this is just, man. So I got some, business to tend to, some things to take care of before my next video. And I look forward to seeing you guys from Southern California in my very next video. You guys be well, and well, Jackson, I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.